Welcome back to Dave and Rose Travels. In this video, you will come along with us to the Blanc breakfast buffet. And then immediately after, we're going to have a tasty Bloody Mary. Both places are located within the LeBlanc Spa Resort, adults only, all-inclusive. So stay tuned. Dave and Rose Travels. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell. We are awake and we're getting ready to go to the breakfast buffet. If you haven't seen our last video where we take you for a tour of LeBlanc Spa Resort's gym, the spa, and the lagoon pool, make sure you watch that video. It's a must-see. And here we are at Blanc, located within the LeBlanc Spa Resort, adults only, all-inclusive. This is where you will go to get breakfast. You can go to the third floor to La Terraza to get a made-to-order breakfast. But I have to say, this food is tasty. Blanc has everything that you need for your breakfast desires. Blanc has fresh pastries and breads, yummy potatoes, yummy chilaquiles, a fresh grill station so that you could have made to order eggs or steak or even pancakes, or maybe some French toast or ham. Tasty, freshly squeezed juices, oatmeal. Maybe you want to make your own drink. Maybe you just want cereal for breakfast. All kinds of fresh fruits and yogurts. Fresh vegetables and salads. The food was so tasty, we didn't even get a clip of our plates. Now that we're done with breakfast, let's take you to one of LeBlanc's famous bars. I couldn't find the name of this bar to save my life, so we'll call it the lobby level next to the pool door bar. And always remember, when you're staying at LeBlanc Spa Resort, adults only, all-inclusive, that all of their liquor is top shelf. And with their upscale mixology, you'll have some tasty drinks. Let's take a moment and take all of this in. There's just too many to count. And remember, is there a special drink that you would like to have, or a special drink that you haven't had before? They will make it. That is what LeBlanc's mixology is all about. They do have an array of top shelf tequilas and other liqueurs that cost a little extra. Let's take a moment to talk about our channel, Dave and Rose Travels. Subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell so that you will be notified when we put out future content.
Later.
Make sure you subscribe so you can see our upcoming video where we spend the day at the lagoon pool. And because the lagoon pool is right next to the Naitupe Lagoon, we are also by the Morlet crocodile. So stay tuned so you can see that. Remember, subscribing assures that you see our upcoming videos, like our cacao video, our ocean video, our Lumiere video, our order more room service video,